Want to add your own song to a Snapchat story? Try this. First, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Now, open the Snapchat app on your device. On the camera screen, look at the right side and tap the music note icon. This opens the Snapchat music library. Inside the music menu, you'll see tabs like Featured, My Favorites, and Trending. Tap on the My Favorites option. Now, select My Sounds. Here, tap on Create Sound. You'll see two options: Upload from camera roll and record sound. To use your own song, choose Upload from camera roll. Select a video that contains the audio you want. Snapchat will extract the audio from that video. Adjust the audio timing if needed. Now give your sound a name. And tap on Save Sound. Once saved, record a Snap video. After that, select your custom sound from My Sounds. When ready, at the bottom of the screen, tap on Story to share it. And that's it. Your Snapchat story now plays your own custom song, not just built-in music. For more Snapchat videos, subscribe.